everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's episode is about the history of Rolls-Royce. So take a seat and enjoy this video.
When it doesn't exist, design it. Our founding philosophy. You don't just build the future, you commission it. Made in your image, not for your image. The world needs icons to lead the way. And for those whose presence has the power to inspire greatness, there is only one choice. Unmatched, unrivaled, one of one.
Rolls-Royce is a renowned British luxury automobile and aerospace manufacturer with a rich history dating back to the early 20th century. The company was founded in 1906 by Charles Rolls and Sir Henry Royce. Charles Rolls was an aristocratic automobile enthusiast, while Henry Royce was an engineer and skilled mechanic. The first car to bear the Rolls-Royce name was the Rolls-Royce 10 horsepower, which made its debut in 1904. However, it was the partnership between Rolls and Royce in 1906 that marked the formal establishment of the Rolls-Royce Company. The collaboration aimed to create automobiles that combined luxurious design, impeccable craftsmanship, and engineering excellence. One of the pivotal moments in Rolls-Royce's history came with the introduction of the Silver Ghost in 1907. The Silver Ghost gained a reputation for its reliability, smooth performance, and refinement, solidifying Rolls-Royce's position as a symbol of prestige and quality. Over the years, Rolls-Royce continued to produce iconic models, including the Phantom, Wraith, and Ghost, each setting new standards for luxury and elegance. The company became synonymous with high-end craftsmanship, attention to detail, and a commitment to delivering the ultimate in automotive luxury. In addition to its automotive success, Rolls-Royce has a significant presence in the aerospace industry, producing aircraft engines and providing propulsion systems for various applications. The brand has maintained its commitment to excellence, craftsmanship, and exclusivity, making Rolls-Royce a symbol of opulence and sophistication in both the automotive and aviation worlds.